Hey everyone, it's Deb. I have a little bit of a Dollar Tree haul for you today. And it's some crafty and some not, so I'm going to just do it all. I got these two mint colored pencil holders. And I saw somebody else that hooked them together, and she even had two of the other little boxes they have. But I have a lot of colored pencils and stuff. I don't know, or markers like these, or my glaze pens, and they're in a drawer right now, the ones that are not on my desk, and I kind of don't want them in that drawer, even though they're away, because I need that drawer for something else. However, I don't really have a whole lot of room on my desk either, but there is one spot actually on top my ink thing that I could stand these two up together, but I feel like they're a little lightweight. And they had them in like a black and white kind of a check pattern, and I think they had one pink left, so I went with this color, and I think I'm gonna try and what she did is hot glued them together or something. But see, there's a lot of room in there. I don't know if I can hot glue them, or if I can use some kind of double-sided foam tape and stick them in and then hot glue onto that, maybe, because they come together in the front but the back is open, so I don't know how that'll work. But I felt like I needed two, not just one, and they slant down. Let's see, let's put a pencil or a pen in. Yeah, they go down pretty far, so that's nice. I kind of like that. And so I could do like color coordination or something. I know this is, let me move this up just a little bit so maybe you can see better. See, they slant down in there like that. And I don't know about the top one. I might put like a little something in there. I don't know what. But these are like the Spectrum Noir markers, or Winkler Stella, I could even, if my light dies here, I could take everything out of its tray and put my bone folders in one, but it's a pencil holder. Let's see, I had a pencil in here, but I think I took it. Oh, here's one. Nope. I think I took it downstairs. I'm not sure where my pencil is. Anyway, you get the idea. So that's the first thing I got. I don't want this to be a super long video. Then I got these for a gift for someone, a little gift, and I got these actually for me. They're wide, but they feel really strong, and I just liked the color of them for spring and summer and stuff. So yeah. And then these, oh, this is a kitchen towel. I just got one. Spring is here, bunny. Instead of having it say Easter, that way I can use it longer. I don't really love this material for drying dishes, but it's okay for a hand towel in the kitchen, something like that, more for decoration. So this bag is not mostly crafty. Okay, now this next line, my daughter's name is Amy, and it's spelled this way, and she used to be so mad at me when she was young because nothing had her name on it. So I already gave her one of these. It's exfoliating polish, to wash your skin with. Buffs away dead skin cells, softens and smooths, dermatologist approved, formulated for normal to dry skin, which is more like me, including sensitive skin. And it has a mild scent. She doesn't like things, and nor do I, that have a heavy scent to them. So I got her another one of those. And this time I found this Naturally Kind Glow and Bright Illuminating Face Mist with rose water and hibiscus. I'm not too sure about that. Brightens and hydrates, instant dewy complexion, dermatologist approved, formulated for dull, lackluster skin, which is me getting older here, including sensitive skin. 97% natural. This one says 95% natural. Let's see where they're made. Well, they're just developed and made in the UK. So there you go. So I got two of these and only one of those. And then I found this natural hair serum. 100% pure natural oil. I'm wondering if it's like argan oil kind of thing. Nope. Fractionated, 100% pure fractionated coconut oil, castor oil, cedar wood, tea tree, which I'm not crazy about. It's supposed to be good for your hair though. Rosemary, essential oils, vitamin E, and keratin, hydrolyzed keratin. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a try. That's for me, because my old hair is getting horrible lately. So that is the first. Oh, is that the only bag? No, here's the other one. Just say, I know I had another bag. So let me move them over onto here. Sorry. So then I went looking at, well, before I get into crafty stuff, I did get this 2-pack of spring colored bandanas. These were in the front of the store. And I thought I could wear it like a scarf on my hair when I'm outside weeding the flower beds that are more weeds than flowers. They're polyester, made in China, machine wash cold, tumble dry low, cool iron if needed. Throwback to the 70s. I'm a child of the 70s, so you know I'm old. And then this sort of pretty teal, light teal color almost goes with them, right? So those are for me. And or you could wear them like a scarf. They had these in different colors. I only got the pink because I think I have something similar already in blue, but these little pink things here are separate from the zigzaggy borders, so they're really pretty. And I don't need any more gems. I need gems like a hole in head. And then I'm pretty sure my friend Stamp Girl had these. I'm not sure. I only saw 1 pack, and they're really cool, and they're great for making inchies and twinchies because they are about an inch, so maybe for making twinchies. So I might copy her on that one day. I just love the colors, the blues and greens and floral patterns on them. So there you go. I got 1 pack of this burlap trim. This was in the floral center. I thought that would be pretty cool on projects, not necessarily cards, but other projects. So I got that. I got these because I have a lot of canning jars and I don't really can much anymore. And I thought I could put them on a quart size one, yeah, and put flower stems in them and make a nice, like they did, like that. Only with different flowers or more flowers, and put some decorative gemmy things in the bottom, and there you go. They have it with a real flower, I think. So I only got 1 pack of those, and then a different pack of butterflies. You know I love my butterflies. Aren't these gorgeous? They had a couple of packs, you know, with like they were all different greens and stuff, but I already had some of those and I like these better. I just got 1. I almost bought 2, and I'm like, no, you don't need 2. And then look, isn't this cute? A cutting die for $1.25. Now I know people have been finding stamps. This looks really familiar to me. But I thought you could, I think this will not cut a border out here. It'll cut it like here. I'm kind of thinking, if you cut this out, you can put a paper underneath the paper you cut that out of and have that be watercolored or otherwise somehow colored so that you get some like pinks and yellows or something up with the flowers and greens down here. And I thought that might be a pretty idea. Oh, they even have it at the top showing like that. That's a cute idea. Yeah, so I don't know. It's 1 1/16 inch by 5 inch, compatible with most die cutting machines. It just really looks familiar. Anyway, I got these collagen cleansing cloths. There's 25. Every now and then I get lazy and don't wash up at night, but if I have these laying on my dresser, I will do that. It says, you know, to wipe over face, neck, and eye area. And they last, they do stay moist pretty well. I had a blue pack before, but they're gone. So, yeah. And then the last two things I got, because I am out of my bottle. I have a bottle of, it's like combined base coat and top coat, but these are both top coat. This one is a nail, well actually, this is a nail hardener, so this would go on the bottom actually. And then this is a quick dry polish top coat. So it dries polish to high gloss shine, it says. They had one that was not as quick a dry too, but I like quick dry. Apply a layer of super dry after multiple coats of your favorite nail enamel for quick dry that locks polish in place. I sure need that because I'm rough on nail polish. And that's it. That's my haul. So you can see I didn't get much crafty stuff. Really just one sticker, one Gemmies, one burlap trim, oh, another sticker, and one die. The one I went to, the Dollar Tree I went to yesterday, it only had one or two style of stamps, and I think the one they had was this one that I saw, and I already have it. And this works fine, by the way. This particular stamp, I used it last year. It worked really good. So I still have that out in the basket for summer. And we're almost to summer again. Oh my goodness. How ridiculous, right? All right, everyone. So that's my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you see other products with Amy in the beauty row besides these two, would you let me know what they are? And so I know to even look for them, because I just think it's cool that some brand has her name spelled the right way on it. And this one in particular, it really has a very mild scent, which is fine. And I like it. I've tried this on my skin and I like it. So yeah. Anyway, take care, have a great day, and happy spring.